Hey fitness fam! Welcome back to Diet and Exercise. In today's video, we're gonna share a delicious recipe for the best homemade chocolate chip cookies that are soft, chewy, and simply irresistible. These cookies are a treat you can enjoy without feeling guilty, especially when made with the right ingredients. Whether you're craving something sweet after a long day or looking to impress friends and family with your baking skills, these cookies are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. We'll dive into the ingredients and method to create the perfect texture and flavor in every bite. While indulging in chocolate chip cookies can seem like a sin for those watching their fitness goals, the key is balance. In today's video, we'll also explore how these cookies fit into an overall healthy lifestyle, including their effect on fitness and health when consumed in moderation. After all, treats like these are meant to be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet, not something to be avoided. The goal is to enjoy them while staying on track with fitness goals, and we'll share how to incorporate these cookies into an active routine for best results. Stick around for the recipe and all the insights on how these soft and chewy cookies can fit perfectly into a healthy and active lifestyle. Ingredients for the best homemade chocolate chip cookies. To create the perfect soft, chewy chocolate chip cookies, it all starts with the right ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, which forms the base of your dough and helps create the chewy texture that everyone loves. Next, we have the unsalted butter. Butter provides richness and moisture, making the cookies soft. Brown sugar is essential to give the cookies their chewy consistency, while white sugar contributes to their crisp edges. Both sugars also enhance the sweetness and flavor of the cookies. Eggs act as binders, giving the dough structure, while the vanilla extract adds the essential aromatic flavor. Finally, the star of the show, semi-sweet chocolate chips. These chips melt perfectly and offer bursts of sweetness in every bite. How to make soft and chewy cookies. Making the best chocolate chip cookies requires a bit of technique. Start by creaming the softened butter with both the brown and white sugars. This is where the magic happens for that soft texture. Make sure to beat the butter and sugars together until light and fluffy, which will help incorporate air into the dough. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time and add the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine the dry ingredients such as flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Slowly mix the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, ensuring it's well combined, but be careful not to overmix. Once your dough is ready, fold in the chocolate chips. This step is crucial because it prevents the chips from melting too much during baking. To achieve the perfect soft and chewy texture, it's important not to overbake. Bake at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, just until the edges begin to turn golden. The cookies will continue to cook on the baking sheet after you remove them from the oven, leaving you with the perfect soft and chewy texture. Allow them to cool on a wire rack to ensure they maintain their structure and softness. These cookies are best enjoyed fresh, but can be stored in an airtight container for several days. How chocolate chip cookies affect health and fitness. When it comes to indulging in chocolate chip cookies, moderation is key. While cookies are often associated with sugar and fat, they can be a part of a balanced diet when consumed in small portions. The ingredients used in homemade cookies are generally more wholesome than their store-bought counterparts. For example, when you make your cookies at home, you have control over the quality and amount of sugar and butter used. Additionally, swapping out some ingredients for healthier alternatives, like using coconut sugar instead of refined sugar, or choosing dark chocolate chips, can reduce the glycemic index of the cookies and make them a better fit for an active lifestyle. As for the effects on fitness, enjoying a homemade chocolate chip cookie once in a while can actually boost morale and prevent feelings of deprivation, which can sometimes lead to binge eating. A single cookie paired with a well-balanced diet and consistent exercise routine will not cause weight gain or hinder fitness progress. However, like any treat, consuming cookies excessively or without proper portion control can lead to excess calorie intake, which may disrupt your fitness goals. It's important to find balance and ensure that the majority of your diet consists of whole, nutrient-dense foods while saving room for the occasional indulgence. After all, part of a healthy fitness journey is enjoying life's pleasures, including the occasional chocolate chip cookie. Pairing chocolate chip cookies with exercise for optimal results. Exercise plays a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, even when you indulge in treats like chocolate chip cookies. Regular exercise can help mitigate the extra calories from the cookies and support fat burning, muscle building, and overall fitness progress. For example, incorporating cardio exercises like running, cycling, or swimming can help burn off those extra calories while improving cardiovascular health. These types of activities increase heart rate and metabolism, helping the body burn fat more efficiently. Additionally, strength training exercises such as weightlifting or body weight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups can help build lean muscle mass. The more muscle your body has, the more calories you burn at rest. Strength training also supports healthy metabolism, which helps counterbalance the effects of eating higher calorie foods like cookies. If you're committed to a fitness routine, enjoying a homemade chocolate chip cookie won't negatively impact your progress. Instead, the exercise will ensure that your body stays in a fat-burning mode, helping to use those extra calories for muscle recovery or energy rather than storing them as fat. The role of portion control with chocolate chip cookies. Portion control is a crucial aspect of enjoying treats like chocolate chip cookies without derailing fitness goals. A standard serving size for cookies is typically 1 or 2 cookies, depending on their size. If you make larger cookies, consider cutting them in half to reduce the calorie load per serving. When you bake at home, portion control becomes easier because you know exactly how much you're consuming compared to buying pre-packaged cookies, which can often lead to overeating. Incorporating portion control into your baking allows you to indulge in the flavors you love while staying within your calorie goals. If you're trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy body composition, it's essential to enjoy treats like cookies in moderation without overindulging. How homemade cookies can boost mental health. Enjoying a homemade chocolate chip cookie is more than just a treat for the body. It's also a treat for the mind. When you bake, the process itself can be therapeutic. The act of mixing the dough, shaping the cookies, and watching them bake in the oven offers a sense of accomplishment and creativity. Additionally, sharing your cookies with friends and family can boost social connection and provide emotional satisfaction. Tracking progress. How the body responds after a month of indulgence with balance. If you've been regularly enjoying homemade chocolate chip cookies over the past month while maintaining a fitness routine, you might wonder how your body has responded to this balance. When consumed in moderation, treats like cookies won't derail your fitness goals. In fact, they can actually make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. After a month, your body is likely to show signs of increased muscle tone, improved endurance, and perhaps even a reduction in body fat if exercises and healthy eating have been prioritized. Wrapping up and final thoughts. In conclusion, homemade chocolate chip cookies are a delightful treat that can fit into a balanced lifestyle. The key to enjoying these soft, chewy cookies without compromising your health or fitness goals is moderation and balance. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video.